Welcome, fellow traders, to the exciting world of AI stocks. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 AI stocks that can supercharge your portfolio. But before we dive in, let's talk about why AI is revolutionizing the stock market. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. We'll walk through those fundamentals and technical analysis to help you level up your trading. Today, we're going to get into the top 5 AI stocks with explosive potential and how to chart them by a pajama trader. Give this a like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Why invest in AI stocks? The AI sector is rapidly growing with applications across industries. The global AI market is projected to grow exponentially, creating opportunities for investors. Companies leveraging AI are seeing strong revenue growth and market adoption. Imagine investing in a sector that's growing faster than the internet did in the early days. AI is just not a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. Companies like NVIDIA and Twilio are already seeing the benefits. Let's explore how AI and AI stocks are a must-have in your portfolio. Criteria for selecting top AI stocks. To select top AI stocks, we focus on strong fundamentals, such as strong revenue growth, profitability, and innovation. We also use technical indicators like the MFI, DMI, and DMA to confirm trends and momentum. Marketing position is crucial, with leaders in AI infrastructure, software, or applications being preferred. How do we pick up the winners in this exciting space? It's all about combining strong fundamentals with technical analysis. We want companies with explosive revenue growth, innovative products, and solid market position. Let's dive into the top AI stocks that fit this criteria. Top AI stocks for 2025. NVIDIA, NASDAQ symbol NVDA, is the leader in GPUs critical for training large language models. SoundHound AI, symbol SOUN, prefers voice-based AI solutions with strong client partnerships. Upstart Holdings, ticker symbol UPST, is an AI-driven lending platform with explosive growth. And Twilio, ticker symbol TWLO, is a customer engaging platform leveraging generative AI. And last, Faro Industries, NASDAQ symbol FARO, innovates in smart factories and intelligent automation. Now let's meet our top 5 AI stocks for 2025. Each of these companies is a leader in its niche, from NVIDIA's dominance in GPUs to Twilio's innovative customer engagement solutions. We'll explore each one in detail, but first, let's talk about these charts and how to chart them effectively. How to chart these stocks. We use the money flow index to assess buying and selling pressure and identify overbought and oversold conditions. Directional movement index, DMI, measures the trend strength and direction by looking for crossovers between positive directional indicator, plus DI, and a negative directional indicator, negative DI. Displaced moving averages, DMA, smooths the price action to identify trend reversals and continuation points. Combining these multi-frame analysis allows you for precise decision making. Look for patterns like breakouts and divergences or retracements supported by these indicators. Now let's get a hands-on with technical analysis. We'll use MFI to spot overbought and oversold conditions, the DMI to confirm the trends, and the DMA to identify potential reversals. By combining these tools with the multi-frame analysis, you have a roadmap for navigating these markets effectively. Real example, NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA dominates the GPU market, essentially for training advanced AI tools, with a 92% data center GPU market share. Its fiscal year grew by 114% due to demand for Blackwell GPUs used in generative AI systems and large language models, LLMs. However, it faces challenges like supply constraints and tariff impacts. Today, NVIDIA is trading about $111.54, probably lower at the time of this, down from its recent highs from $153.13. The MFI shows neutral to slightly oversold conditions near the 111 support levels. DMI confirms bearish momentum, with the negative DI above the positive DI and the ADX at 25, indicating strong downward pressure. The DMA crossover at 120 marked the start of this recent downtrend. Watch for potential reversals if the price remains 115 to 120 resistance levels. Let's take a closer look at NVIDIA, a leader in GPU driving AI innovation, while it faces challenges like supply constraints. Its fundamentals remain strong, and technically speaking, the MFI shows potential buying interest near support levels, while the DMI confirms bearish momentum. Using DMA crossovers can help us spot potential reversals if the prices reclaim resistance levels. Tools for charting success. Platforms like TradingView, Thinkorswim, and Webull offer automated pattern recognition for the MFI, DMI, and DMA signals. They also provide multi-time frame analysis to align short-term trades with long-term trends and customizable templates for advanced indicators like ADX and displaced moving averages. Now that we've covered the basics of technical analysis, let me show you some tools that can make your life easier. Platforms like TradingView or Thinkorswim and Webull automate pattern recognition and allow you to customize indicators like the MFI or DMA. These tools save time while helping you make smarter moves. Risks and considerations. Tech stocks are highly volatile and not suitable for risk-averse investors. Diversification across sectors is crucial to mitigate these risks from microeconomic factors like rising interest rates or regulatory changes affecting tech companies. Always use stop-loss orders to protect against sudden downturns in high-growth stocks like those in the AI sector. While the potential rewards are high in this sector, there are so the risks. Tech stocks are volatile due to microeconomic factors like interest rates or regulations. That's why diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and always use stop-loss orders as a safety net. Conclusion and next steps. The AI sector presents a unique opportunity for explosive growth, but requires careful analysis using tools like the MFI, DMI, and DMA. Combine fundamental analysis research with technical indicators to maximize success in this high potential sector. Start small, monitor trades closely, and adjust your strategy as needed based on market conditions. In conclusion, the AI sector offers incredible opportunities but requires careful planning. By combining strong fundamentals with technical analysis tools like the MFI or DMI or DMA, they can unlock explosive growth while managing risk effectively. Start small, test your strategies, and adapt as markets evolve. Give this a like if this connected the dots for you. Share this with other traders looking to improve their trading. And subscribe for more Market Edge videos like this. Thanks again for watching.